Well, hello there. I've been waiting to do this video a while, and now I actually have a chance to do it. My Hoover commercial on the back porch cleaning up bird mess. So, let's get this show on the road. And we'll just go over here to this black rug and clean all that up. Hold on a second, gotta get the other rug up. Yeah. Bad mess on this. I'd say that works pretty good. Another thing I like about this is I can still get bags for it. It takes Hoover Type A bags, but still, it's direct aired and it has a lot of suction. The fan is over here on the side. That's a weird thing I thought about this. But, yeah, tell me how you liked it, and tell me what you guys would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Also, if any of you have any kind of requests of any sort, I will do a video on all of these. My Kirby Classic 1CR Omega is in the garage in here. I'll come in here and show that one to you. I have my old Kirby Classic 1CR Omega. If any of you have any requests, I will do a video on all of these. Oh, and my mama's Kirby Generation 6 Limited Edition, a Hoover Sprint, and an Oric XL hand vac. I will do a video on all of those. But another thing about this Hoover commercial out here on the back porch is something I noticed is like all of these dual purposes or Hoover commercials like this one, the hose, I can actually put it in with it turned on. So I'm going to do a quick run about like that, show you what it does. I'm guessing it has like a suction switch of some sort, I don't know. But it does go into a high speed mode. Next, I am looking for, now I know there's no guarantee that I can get it. I'm looking for the rarest of the rare Hoovers. The Hoover Model 0. If any of you have one of those on your hands that you would like to get rid of, which I'm sure you wouldn't if you had it, please send me a message in my comments area. By the way, please give me some comments, I need more. So, until next time, see you later.